Hey guys, as you can see, we saw a huge gap up in Nifty today, followed by what we witnessed in the US market yesterday. There was about a 700 points rally in Dow Jones. Basically, the entire US and European markets were up today because of the US inflation data, where it came out very positive, in line with what the market was expecting. There was no jiffy, inflation data did not go out of hand. So clearly, that's a great news because then we can expect a rate cut in February or end of March. So that is a very good thing for market. So since inflation data is under control, even our markets went up today. As a result, it opened with a huge gap up and then sideways for the rest of the day, because market has already broken a major level, like you can see on the screen right here, right? So clearly, Nifty, for me as a technical trader, currently it might become volatile. Basically, it is retesting the zone that it had previously tested, but we cannot go only with the technical analysis. We have to also think about the overall market. Right now we have the upcoming budget, and then yesterday itself, we got the US job data, which was positive. So since there are so many things, market will not just directly follow technical analysis and take a dive from here. Market will now wait. It will probably go sideways and wait for all these news to come up. So if you are one of those intraday traders, I urge you to be very careful for at least till February 1st, especially in Nifty, because it's currently trading it as a no trade zone. Particularly for me, it could go either way. So next off, we have Bank Nifty, very similar price action. As you can see, opened here with a gap up and then absolutely sideways, and we did see a little bit of that 3 p.m. move in Bank Nifty. Gave quite a bit of a good run over there. And next off, if you just take a look at it on a bigger time frame, here I as a technical trader, even though I want to stay away, what I'll be focusing on is this particular zone, which has acted as a very good support in the past. Now it will act as a very good resistance. So if market comes to this level, I myself am thinking of some sort of based on the price action which will take place that day, I might enter into a trade, because it looks a very neat for me from the technical perspective. So again, just like this is not an investment advice. This is purely for educational purpose to tell you guys how support and resistance works. So next of the main news of the day is actually sugar stocks. As you can see, Sri Lanka sugar is up 5%. Bajaj Hindustan Sugar up about also 5.5%. Praj Industries up about 3.7 to 4%. So mainly this huge rally in all the sugar stocks has something to do with basically the cabinet, which may approve hike in ethanol. So see, ethanol is a byproduct. When you try to manufacture sugar, you get ethanol as a byproduct. So if ethanol price goes up, obviously it's a good thing for all these companies who get this as a raw product. So clearly we can see that impact in across all the stocks. So next up we have basically railway related stocks. These railway, Vikas Nigam up 10.7%, Aircon International up 15%, Railtel Corporation up 9.5%. And this huge rally in all these stocks is due to the fact that we have the upcoming union budget on February 1. So clearly market is probably expecting the increase in budget by about 18% in this financial year. So clearly that will benefit all these companies. So we can see a huge buzz in all the railway related stocks. So next up we have Kalyan Jewelers. As you can see on the screen, such a huge fall, guys. Just look at the chart. It's I remember making a video right over here, I suppose, and then again made a video when it crossed this particular level. It's both fundamentally and technically very bearish at the moment, and that has something to do with the fact that there were a couple of IT raids on the company, and something to do with frauds. So clearly, whenever something like this happens, stocks go extremely bearish, and we can see a same pattern happening in Kalyan Jewelers as well, right? And next off we have Gensol Engineering up by 7%, because they signed some sort of a deal with Reflex Green Mobility to transfer like 3,000 electric bikes, and also they have taken up some sort of a loan in return of 315 crore. So clearly seems like a good deal between the company. So market is very positive about that, up about 7% today. And here you can see as well, settled around 4%, but up around 7% early in the morning. And next up, we have IDBI. I've been talking about this share for quite a while now because there will be a de-investment process, and apparently it has gone to the next level. So clearly that's a good thing for the company. If there's a divestment and the new investors jump in, maybe there will be a bit more, improvement in the stock. So clearly, market sees very positively, and stock is reacting to it very nicely. Thank you.
If you're a trader following market calls and tips for day trading, use our tool RNT, Research and Trade. All you have to do is link RNT to your trading account, then just sit and relax. Turn trading into business at app.gwcindia.live. Check out description for more details.
Disclaimer: investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.